What's up, you guys? Steve here with an unemployment update regarding the new extension and the new boost to unemployment benefits. And also, if you didn't hear, $10,200 of the unemployment benefits you collected last year in 2020, they're going to be tax-free. And we got some guidance from the IRS regarding how they want you to proceed with that. So I'm going to get you caught up on this. This is some new information we just got. And also, I might do a totally separate video just on this to make sure that people know how to make sure those benefits are tax-free. So I'm going to get you caught up on the latest as of today, March 14th, 2021. And this is really important right now because today is the last day of the current extension. The American Rescue Plan, that stimulus package that got signed into law, all those new benefits and extensions, they're going to be starting officially tomorrow. So I'm going to make sure that you're caught up in this video. But before we dive in, if you could do me a quick favor, it'll just take a second. If you like and appreciate these video updates, keeping you up to date on unemployment, stimulus, the economy, Congress, anything having to do with investing or money, why don't you go ahead and take a second to smash that like button? I would appreciate it. It helps out the channel. Like button, comments, and sharing these videos out on social media platforms to anybody that you think might be interested. It helps me out. Thank you so much. And if this is your first time here and you're not already a part of the viewing community, what I like to call the Ram Fam, and you'd like to do so to stay up to date on everything, smash the subscribe button, turn on that notification bell so that way as soon as I upload, you can get notified. And be sure to follow me on Instagram as well at SteveRam3. And remember that here on YouTube, when I respond to comments, you'll always see a gray stripe on the name. If you don't see that, it's not me. Please use caution. Right now, there's a lot of scammers on YouTube trying to pose as me, trying to steal your information. I don't ask for bank account information, and I don't leave random phone numbers in the comments. So if you see that, please use caution. And if you'd like to get exclusive access to me and these articles before they hit YouTube, think about joining our Patreon group that we just started as well. But you guys, let's go ahead and dive right in. I'm going to get you caught up on the latest regarding unemployment benefits that are going to be rolling out here tomorrow. All right, you guys, so let's go ahead and dive into a CNET article that just came out yesterday that's going to get us caught up on the latest. And link in the description below if you'd like to follow along with me. It says $300 bonus of unemployment checks. What will change in the new bill? What you should know. And it says Biden's $1.9 trillion relief package will extend enhanced unemployment benefits until September 6th. For the $300 per week boost. And this is going to be on top of the unemployment benefits you're already collecting. This is known as FPUC. Now, we first saw this in March of 2020 and it went out till July of 2020 and people got $600 per week on top of their unemployment benefits. Well, this new one that just passed in the American Rescue Plan that's going to be starting tomorrow, this is going to be $300 per week, and it's going to take you out to the week of September 6th for a total of 25 weeks of benefits. This is for anybody that's collecting unemployment at this time, regardless of the form, whether it's federal PUA, PEUC, regular state UI, or extended benefits. There's going to be a boost that's going to be added on top of it. Now, the article says that the Department of Labor says it does not expect there to be a lag in benefits because the bill was signed before the previous benefits from the previous package expired today on March 14th. So they're saying that the old ones expire today. This new one should pick up right on time. There should not be any gap between these extensions. However, the agency doesn't know with certainty if unemployed workers will experience a delay, since that all depends on whether state agencies that handle the benefits will move things along in a timely manner. So the way it works is this federal provision passed, they're then going to send it to all the states, and then the states have to update their systems and then distribute out the benefits to claimants. And so there could be a potential delay on when you collect your benefits depending on how quickly your specific state updates their system. So some states, they might get it done right away and send it out right on time. Other states, it might take them a while. Now, if that's the case, know that I'll be sure to keep you guys up to date here on the channel and let you know what they're saying about your state distributing out your benefits. All right, so now, how does that $10,200 of tax-free unemployment benefits work? Well, the article says that the IRS use unemployment insurance like regular income. So in most cases, the states will withhold taxes from it like a regular paycheck. However, it's estimated that about 10 million unemployed benefit recipients last year, they didn't have taxes withheld, which means right now during tax season, they'd have a pretty hefty tax bill to pay. Now, the offset to that is that this new relief bill, it's going to exempt taxes from $10,200 of unemployment benefits for anybody that has an adjusted gross income of less than $150,000 per year. Now, the way this works is that $10,200 is going to be tax-free from the unemployment benefits. So let's say that you collected $20,000 worth of unemployment benefits last year. Well, you'll only be taxed on the remaining $9,800, and that could equate to over $1,000 worth of savings for somebody. Now, the unemployment workers will be able to claim exemptions on their taxes, and if they already filed their taxes, they can do an amendment to their taxes for these benefits. But the IRS, however, has not provided really any guidance on how this is all going to work. Now, that is old. This was published yesterday. We now have some updated information directly from the IRS. A link in the description below if you'd like to read it for yourself, and let's take a look. All right, you guys, so here it is, IRS statement, the American Rescue Plan Act of 2021, and we're going to jump to this second paragraph, the second line, and go all the way down to the end to the new sentence that says, for those who have not filed yet, the IRS will provide a worksheet for paper filers and work with the software industry to update the current tax software so that taxpayers can determine how to report their unemployment income in their 2020 tax returns. Next, for those who received unemployment benefits last year and have already filed their 2020 tax return, the IRS emphasizes they should not file an amendment return at this time until the IRS issues additional guidance. So you guys, this is the latest update that we have on that. So they're saying, hold on, we're going to get something together. They're going to be providing a worksheet. They're going to give more guidance on how to claim that $10,200 of benefits tax-free. So that is the latest. And I might do a separate video just to make sure that people know what we're hearing from the IRS. Now, you should also know that not only is the $300 per week FPUC boost getting extended out till September 6th, but also are the federal provisions of PUA and PEUC, which pretty much means that everybody right now is going to get some form of an extension that's going to cover you. And now you might be saying, wait a second, I'm on state unemployment or I'm on some sort of state extended benefits. Well, the way it works is that once those state benefits come to an end, you can switch over to PEUC, and that's going to extend you out till September 6th. And PUA, you're going to get extended out as well. Now, some people might be asking, well, my year of benefits, the claim is going to be coming to an end here very soon. What do I do? Well, for that, you're going to need to contact your state to get more information as to whether they are going to have this automatically extend out for you or if they want you to file a new claim. But you are going to be eligible for this new extension. So pretty much this means that everybody that's unemployed, you're going to be covered with some form of unemployment benefits. Now, will these benefits be retroactive? The answer to that is no. They're only going to be covering a specific duration of time, and that's going to be starting March 15th of 2021 out till September 6th. So it's specifically for this upcoming period of time. Now, MEUC, the Mixed Earners Unemployment Compensation, that's going to give you an extra $100 on top of that $300 per week boost for a total of $400. That depends on whether or not your state's going to be participating in that program. And just to give you some details on it really quickly, it says that this program, the MEUC, a person who made more money from self-employment or a contracting job that requires a 1099 form, they could receive an extra $100 per week. For example, let's say you made $50,000 in 2019, which was split between $30,000 coming from a contracting job and $20,000 from a part-time job at a company. If you were laid off, the state unemployment office would calculate whether you'd receive the benefits on the $30,000 via PUA or $20,000 via unemployment insurance, but not a combination of two. So if you had two jobs, you can't get two benefits. But what they'll do is they'll determine whether or not you can get an extra $100 on top of your boost. Now, once again, this depends on your state, whether or not they're going to be participating. So I'll be sure to keep you guys up to date on that as we hear which states are participating in MEUC. So you guys, that is the latest that we currently have on the new extension and the new boost of unemployment benefits. And as we heard, there's going to be more coming out about that tax-free $10,200. Now, as that rolls out, I'll be sure to keep you up to date here on the channel. And also, stimulus checks. A lot of them have already hit bank accounts via direct deposit. I've been keeping you guys up to date here in these videos, and check out these videos where I also map out on the calendar what we're hearing about when the paper checks and those debit cards will start hitting mailboxes as well. Now, you guys know that I'll be sure to keep you up to date here on the channel. And also, if you made it this far and you haven't already, why don't you go ahead and smash that like button? I would appreciate it. Helps me out. And leave a comment. Share these videos out. Follow me on Instagram. Hit the subscribe button. Follow the Patreon group. And you guys have a blessed weekend. Hope you take care. Hope that this reaches you well. I'll see you in the next video. God bless. This is Steve.